Without Professor, let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Malalu. I come from Mechanical Engineering Study Program. My NIM number is 22055311122 with subject Algebra Linear with the first lecturer name is Professor Dr. Chokoryo Gedetirta Nindya, STMT. Now I'll be presenting my content about linear equations and matrices. The first chapter is 1.1 System of Linear Equation. The second 1.2 Gaussian elimination. The third is vector arithmetic 1.3, and the fourth is 1.4 arithmetic of matrices. The 1.1 System of Linear Equation I bring from the website that I write at the bottom side. By the end of the 1.1 section, I'll be able to solve a linear system of equations, plot linear graphs, and determine the type of the solutions. A linear equation is not always in the form y equals 3.5 minus 0.5x. It can also be like y minus 0.57 minus x, or like the bottom side, yeah. Now the next slide. This is the example of linear equation, yeah, about human race with horse. Yeah, you can run 0.2 km every minute. The horse can run 0.5 km every minute, but it takes 6 minutes to saddle the horse. How far can you get before the horse catches you? We can make two equations. D equals distance in kilometer, T equals time in minute. Yeah, like that. So we have a system equation that are linear. D equals 0.2 T and D equals 0.5 T minus 6. We see like the horse start at 6 minutes, but then the horse runs faster. It seems we get caught after 10 minutes. We only got 2 kilometers away. That's the graphic about human and the horse graphics. There's can many way to solve linear equation, like the bottom side. Dimension. A linear equation can be in 2 dimensions such as x and y, or in 3 dimensions x, y, z, or 4 dimensions or more. Many variables. So a system of equations could have many equations and many variables. Example in 3 equations in 3 variables. Solution. When the number of equations is the same, the number of variables, there's likely to be a solution, not guaranteed but likely. In fact, there are only 3 possible cases: no solution, one solution, infinitely many solutions. That's the diagram for 2 equations in 2 variables. There is no solution, one solution, and infinite solution, inconsistent, independent, and dependent. Independent means that equation gives new information, otherwise they are dependent. Also called linear independence and linear dependence. Example solving U versus horse using algebra method. The system of equation is D equals 0.2 T, D equals 0.5 T minus 6. In this case, it seems easiest to set them equal to each other. D 0.2 T equals 0.5 in parentheses T minus 6. Like that, yeah. And the solution is T equals 10 minutes and distance equals 2 kilometers. Next slide. Algebra versus graph. Why is algebra when graph are so easy? Because more than 2 variables can be solved by a simple graph. So algebra comes to the rescue with the popular method, so solving by substitution and elimination. We will see each one with example in two variables and three variables. Here we go. Solving by substitution. These are the steps. Write one the equation so it is in the style variable. Replace the variable in the other equation. Solve the other equation and repeat as necessary. Solving by substitution. There's the steps, yeah. There's the example. We can start with any equation and any variable. Let's use the second equation and the variable y. It looks the simplest equation. Write one of the equations so it is in the style variable. Solving by substitution with three equations in three variables. That's the example. X plus z equals 6, z plus z minus 3y equals 7. 2x plus y plus 3z equals 15. We should line up the variable neatly or we may lose track of what we are doing. Let's use the first equation and the variable x. Like that. Yeah. We can use this method for 4 or more equations and variables. Just do the same steps again and again until it solves at conclusion. Substitution works nicely, but does take a long time to do. Solving by elimination. Elimination can be faster but need to be kept neat. Eliminate means to remove. Like I show in the screen, yeah, about elimination. This is the example about elimination, the graphic with elimination. Solving by elimination, three equations in three variables. So this is how we eliminate them, yeah. This and this and the third this, and we are solved with that. This is the example 2. Yeah. Next, eliminate y from third equation. We could subtract 1/2 times the second equation from the third equation, because 1/2 times 2 is 3. This is the eliminate method. There are fast. Once you get used to the elimination method, it becomes easier than substitution because you just follow the steps and answer appear. But sometimes substitution can give a quicker result. Substitution is often easier for small cases like two equations or something three equations. Elimination is easier for larger cases, and it always pays to look over the equations first to see if there is an easy shortcut. So experience help. The second Gaussian elimination was a German mathematician who had a major contribution in fields of geometry. Matematikawan, juga dia ada kontribusi di teori bilangan, teori fungsi, dan teori probabilitas. This is the row echelon shape, baris echelon. About matrix, a matrix has the form row echelon if it's the following three criteria. There's three criteria of row echelon shape. This is the example with single solution. Here's the step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example 2 with many solutions. Step 1, step 2, step 3. The third is vector arithmetic, ya. This is vektor adalah besaran yang memiliki nilai nara dan digambarkan dengan himpunan ruas garis berarah. Contoh besaran vektor adalah jarak, kecepatan, momentum, impuls, dan sebagainya. Ini contoh dari pembahasan vektor aritmatika. The fourth point is 1.1 arithmetic of matrices. Matrices has affected many parts nowadays technologies, ya. Matrix addition. This is the matrix addition. Matrix multiplied by a constant or variable. Row 1, row 2, column. Row 1 multiplies column, row 2 multiplies column. Matrix time matrix. Thank you, sir. This is my presenting. Thank you for your time to watching me.